Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2012 Ram 1500. This thing only has 63,000 one owner original miles, actually purchased here locally at Firkins. Nice tires on it, nice silver exterior. It's got the light gray interior. This does have power windows, power door locks, keyless entry, and does also have a aftermarket CD player in it. Automatic headlights, and then this is a quad cab. We actually got seating for 6 in this, believe it or not. And then back here, obviously you get the actual hard bed liner in it. And then this does actually have the tow package and everything on it as well. So very, very nicely equipped truck. Oh, that's got some running boards on it too, some side steps. So perfectly nice truck. Find out more about this vehicle, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169. Or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.